so dumb. Oh, no, not this dude. Oh, please. Oh, no. Please. Oh, you people are so in Thailand. Give me a hand, okay. Third time I'm not okay.
Savannah, Georgia. This one's wild.
Open the god!
While the homeowner is clearly shouting back that he's at the wrong house. And yeah, he was at the wrong house.
Open the door! I'm in the wrong one. I'm in the wrong one. I'm sorry.
Antelope, California. These porch pirates will snatch your packages right under your nose.
Hey! No. Get back! Get back! Hey!
Jonesboro, Georgia. Check out this wannabe porch pirate. The moment she got caught, she started throwing out the worst excuse ever. Let's hear what kind of nonsense she tries to come up with.
Hello? Can you put that back?
I'm putting it where nobody can see it. Is that okay?
No, you can put it back right there. Back where it was at.
That's good.
You can put it back on the other side where it was.
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Some people just don't know how to act. Jacksonville, Florida.
Please. Open the door, please.
Yeah, don't fall for that.
I promise. Can you please open the door for me?
Keep the door locked, talk through the camera, and stay safe out there.
Please.
Boise, Idaho. Check this out. This woman came up, rang the doorbell, and when nobody answered, she got real rude about it. Riverdale, Georgia. This one's pretty interesting. This dude intentionally let his dog into someone else's yard, and when the homeowner caught him, he actually started arguing like he wasn't in the wrong. This one's going to be interesting.
Yo, my man! Yo, my man, get my backyard, man!
Calm down, wait a minute, okay? Ain't nobody doing nothing bad. The dog got loose, and I couldn't catch him on the street. So when he came to the gate, I just let him in the yard. I'm going to get him, and I'm going to leave. I ain't trying to do nothing to your house. Here, come on.
Get the out of my yard, man.
You want me to leave the dog in the yard?
Yeah, leave him in the yard. Yeah, leave him in the yard.
Come on, Legend. Come on, Legend.
You stay in the
looking
yard
right
too.
at me.
Yeah, you be right
I'm
there.
trying to get the
Yeah, be in the yard when I get there.
Here. Come on. Come on, Legend.
What is you?
Good boy.
If you're feeling this video, smash that hype, drop a like, and share it. Right now, it means a lot. Boise, Idaho.
Not gonna go well.
So this couple somehow thought it was a great idea to show up at someone's house late at night and offer them a drink. Like, who does that?
Had a seizure like about 20 minutes ago. We're walking around the neighborhood. We could do a shot with you.
Hi.
Is it because you have kids?
No, because I don't need a drink right now.
You don't want to drink?
No, you need to go.
Okay. You said yeah. Alright, we'll see you later. I mean, never. We'll see you never.
Good night.
Good life.
Late night door knocking is already weird, but adding a random beverage offer? Yeah, that's a whole new level. Tucson, Arizona. Homeowners, seriously, keep your stuff inside and locked up, especially your bikes. This dude didn't just steal one bike, he stole two at the same time. These guys are getting way too bold these days. Don't make it easy for them. Meridian, Idaho. So this neighbor thought it was a good idea to peek through someone's windows late at night. But yeah, that choice did not age well. The homeowner confronted him.
Can I help you? Can I help you? No, I'm good, man. Thank you. Okay, what were you checking out over here? Sorry? What were you checking out over here? I was just walking, man. Well, you walk into crevices? Walk into crevices all the time? What? Where's your girlfriend's place? It's right here. Okay. She told me that she's going out, and I just wanted to check if she's home or not.
Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This one is straight up wild. Imagine waking up, checking your camera, and finding out you had a whole uninvited guest snoozing above your head all night. Yeah, that's a big nope. Meridian, Idaho. Check out this duo acting all kinds of weird, and they're treating it like it's some kind of joke.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
What's so funny about being sketchy at noon?
I'm not you.
How do they leave? On foot? Yeah. It could be in the backyard with the dog.
Where are you? Open the door.
Some folks really think the camera is part of their comedy show. Sacramento, California. Folks, this should be priority number one. Grab your packages on time, because with people roaming around like this all the time. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This woman showed up with full luggage, walked right up to the door, and started punching in a code. Except it was the wrong house. She kept entering the wrong pin like she was trying to get into her Airbnb or something. Yeah, definitely the wrong place, ma'am. Always double check that address before you start moving in. Savannah, Georgia. Yep, even the pups are out here joining the Porch pirate lifestyle. Man, this world is getting wild. Huntington Park, California.
Open the door.
Full-on chaos in this neighborhood because of this dude. He's out here running around with a sharp weapon, causing panic all over the place. Mesa, Arizona. No idea why, but this woman thought it was totally okay to take someone's food order right off their doorstep.
But just now, I wanted a trick of the trade. Yes, I'm in. Put it on. Thank you.
And she was just about to get into her car when the homeowner confronted her.
We saw you. Who is that? Why were you at our door?
I was thinking I knew you, but maybe I was mistaken.
Did you take something from our door?
I think it was given to me. No.
No, it wasn't.
Here it is back. You can have it back.
Thank you. Those were from our friends.
Ma'am, Maybe next time ask before taking it. Pretty simple. Fullerton, California. Here we go again. Another woman just walking by, testing every door she passes. Like, what is going on in people's minds lately? Checking random houses is not normal behavior. Whittier, California. This one's unbelievable. An Amazon delivery driver literally opened the mailbox, grabbed the package inside, and walked off with it. She even looked right at the camera, bold enough to know she's being recorded, and still take it before running away.
At my door again. What do you need?
Wait, does Raymond live here?
Don't nobody live here that you know. Stop coming to my door.
My bad.
And he's not supposed to be here.
I know. Yeah, can you call the cops?
No,
it might.
Actually here, and yeah, she might.
Yeah, I got you at 2 a.m. on camera here, checking it out. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Feel free to call the cops on her at any time.
Okay. Okay, can you call the cops now?
My roommate, because she's the one dealing with this.
Okay. Yeah.
You're not supposed to be here.
I know.
We don't want you here.
I know.
Please leave.
I will leave. Yeah, I have them on camera.
I was fixing it right now. Yeah.
I don't care.
No.
Okay.
You make me uncomfortable.
I know. I'm sorry.
I don't want you here. I don't want you around
No, I'm
this
leaving.
place.
I'm leaving. I would literally text her right now, and I know she told me that she's going out. I just want to know if she's going
not
out.
even your girl anymore. She's your ex-girlfriend.
No, we're talking. Okay.
Jonesboro, Georgia. Homeowner caught this guy plugging his phone into an outlet right by the front door. And what happened next? Oh, it'll definitely make you laugh.
Okay, I will.
No, get off my porch.
Okay.
Are you dumb? It don't matter. You see somebody porch light on, are you stupid? I don't know, some dumb to plug it up on my porch scared the out of me. I will chop his off.
Jonesboro, Georgia. This woman showed up with her dog and even tried the doorknob. When the homeowner confronted her,
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm out of breath.
Okay.
And I had to bring my dog back to the clinic.
Uh-huh.
I can't do this anymore. I'm too old. Thank you.
Okay. You okay?
I certainly hope so.
Okay.
We'll find out.
All right.
if she's legit, hope she's okay. But yeah, trying the door like that at someone's house, kind of suspicious.
Excuse me. Uh-huh. Yep, you better stay off this porch. Oh, you're there? I'll just call the police.
Miami, Florida. Ma'am, it's not your house. Why are you testing the door like you've lived there for years? Pueblo, Colorado. Check this out.
Hi there, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Are you the owner of the property, ma'am?
No.
Would you mind grabbing the homeowner and just let them know what's going on with their meter?
They don't live here.
Is it a rental?
It's my brother-in-law's house.
Oh, okay. We'll reach out to him by phone. Thank you.
This employee walked up to the house and started talking in a really rude tone. You can tell the homeowner was not having it.
Can I still help you with something?
Excuse me?
Can I still help you with something?
Yeah, are you going to my mother-in-law's house? Because she don't need your either if that's how you're going to act.
Well, I might go there.
Hold on. Yeah, I'm recording you right now, so keep talking. What company do you work for?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you that.
What company do you work for?
So I should tell you that so you can try to get me fired?
I want to show them how you're treating customers.
Jonesboro, Georgia. Here we go again. Homeowner basically just got robbed by the neighborhood pup. This is crazy, but also kind of hilarious. Long Beach, California. Check out this cold delivery trick. They drop the package, take the picture for proof, and then steal it right back from the exact spot they delivered it. Eagle, Idaho. Check out this very suspicious lady. Imagine you're asleep inside and someone is stalking around your windows at midnight, literally peeking inside. Yeah, that's pretty terrifying. Always check your cameras, keep those curtains closed, and stay safe out there, folks. Rancho Cucamonga, California. This group of friends rolled up to the house and started going through everything on the porch, like it's a yard sale. Clearly just looking for anything they can steal. Guys, seriously, get a real job instead of digging through other people's stuff. Hampton, Georgia. What do these guys actually think? If they find an unlocked door, they can just stroll in and take whatever they want? Newsflash, buddy. Almost every home has a doorbell camera now.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Get away from my lights. I'm seeing you trying to steal my lights. I'll call my neighbor right now outside. Get away from my lights. Get off the property also.
Riverdale, Georgia. How do people keep ending up at the wrong house, especially at these late hours? Like, is it really a mistake? Or are they intentionally showing up for something shady? What do you think? Honest mix-up or up to no good? Tempe, Arizona. How the heck is a package just sitting outside at 12 o'clock? Like, are they not home at all? Folks, grab your packages as soon as you can. Jacksonville, Florida. Man, it really feels like you just can't escape trouble these days. Every time you think things are quiet, boom. Sacramento, California. This lady showed up and kept trying to enter the home. And honestly, it really looks like she's on something. Like, ma'am, why drink that much if you can't even make it to your own house? Jacksonville, Florida. This guy right here. Yeah, he's exactly the kind of late night trouble that makes homeowners extra cautious.
Yeah, something inside there for you?
What they found out.
Ladson, South Carolina. Some people really act like everything outside is public property. They don't care that your packages or your stuff are clearly not theirs. They just start looking around and taking whatever they want. North Charleston, South Carolina. This guy showed up and started looking everywhere. Under the mat, under the flower pot, checking every little spot like he's hunting for a hidden key. Buddy, homeowners aren't hiding their keys in those spots anymore. People got smarter, and you're clearly not keeping up. Riverdale, Georgia. This neighbor came running straight toward the package.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Your package because she threw it.
Oh, I was just keeping it safe. Do you buy that story?